Smoking is addictive due to the presence of nicotine, which is a highly addictive substance found in tobacco. When a person smokes a cigarette, nicotine is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream through the lungs and reaches the brain within seconds. Nicotine affects the brain by binding to nicotine receptors, primarily in the reward center of the brain, known as the mesolimbic pathway. This pathway is responsible for regulating feelings of pleasure, reward, and motivation. When nicotine binds to these receptors, it triggers the release of various neurotransmitters, including dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. Dopamine, in particular, plays a crucial role in the brain's reward system. It is associated with feelings of pleasure and reinforcement. When nicotine stimulates the release of dopamine, it creates a pleasurable sensation, reinforcing the desire to continue smoking. Over time, the brain becomes accustomed to the presence of nicotine and adjusts its normal functioning accordingly. The brain's reward system adapts to the constant stimulation of nicotine by reducing the number of nicotine receptors or altering their sensitivity. As a result, individuals develop tolerance, requiring more nicotine to achieve the same level of pleasure and reward. When a person tries to quit smoking or goes for an extended period without nicotine, the brain experiences withdrawal symptoms. These symptoms can include intense cravings, irritability, anxiety, difficulty concentrating, increased appetite, and depressed mood. The discomfort associated with withdrawal often leads individuals to continue smoking in order to relieve these symptoms. The addictive nature of smoking is not solely due to nicotine. Tobacco smoke contains thousands of other chemicals that can contribute to addiction and adverse health effects. However, nicotine is the primary addictive substance in tobacco products, and it plays a central role in the development and maintenance of smoking addiction. It's important to note that while smoking is highly addictive, it is also a leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide. Quitting smoking can be challenging, but it offers numerous health benefits and can significantly improve one's quality of life. Various support systems and resources are available to help individuals quit smoking, including counseling, medications, and behavioral therapies.